Here's a quick look at the markets from the eMiniDayTrader perspective. When we left yesterday, we had mentioned that the move down yesterday was likely going to be met with a bit of buying today. We had touched down to the 740 known support area, and the market didn't go anywhere overnight. This was the consolidation here that I've just identified, and then today we had our move higher. So really just a day of consolidation mostly, although a bit of a bounce off of the low. So really just a day that does not change our longer term view, in that the primary auction is still down and that we will have that preference from a trading standpoint. However, of course tonight President Obama will be speaking, and that could change things. The market looks right now as if it wants to continue higher. And when we take a look at the actual profiles here merged together just on the day session, we can see that the market did have a good rally up, taking into even though it was an inside day today, it erased most of yesterday's excess, and it looks like today we're going to end up with a support area going into tomorrow. Well, you can see it identified here in our green area. This will be an area of support going into tomorrow that we're going to take a look at, and if the market should continue to stay above that overnight, then this full range here it will be an ideal area for us to look for one of our specific entries on the long side with a setup and trigger. But we'll definitely be looking for a possible entry to get long in that area. If this area does not hold overnight, in other words, if the market reacts negatively to President's speech and accepts or changes its bias from today and starts selling off below around the 752 area, that would be very bearish and probably looking for another leg down to test the 740. As far as our trades were concerned today, we only had 4 trades today, and we had an early trade in here to get short of the test of the early high. It did only move a point in our direction, so we ended up with a break even on that trade. But we had another couple of good signals, as you can see right here, utilizing our software that got us short. This first trade right here, which was actually the second trade of the day, it once again moved just a point in our favor, and so I ended up with a break even. But this trade was nice. We were able to participate in this. It moved almost 4 points in our favor, so that was nice. The only other trade that we had was a short up in here, and that trade also moved not too bad. It moved 2.25 points in our favor, so we're able to take a nice profit off of that. We were looking for a long trade in this area here when it dipped down in this time frame and this time frame. However, we did not get the trigger to get into it, and so we only had the 4 trades today. But all 4 of them reached our first objective, and 2 of them had nice profits on our final partial. So a good day from a trading standpoint. It's always nice to be making money, and we'd like to assist you in doing the same. So you can reach us at eMiniDayTrader.com or through email at info@eMiniDayTrader.com. We'd love to hear from you, get any comments from you, or any questions. We'd be happy to answer them. So that'll be it for a quick look at the market from Tuesday, Feb 24, 2009.